Hello students, this is Rajas sir and welcome to my channel Fun with Accounts. In the previous video, we have covered the following basic topics of the chapter that are what is share capital, what is a company, types of companies, shares, types of shares and types of share capital. Now further we will see how a company initiates the process of issuing shares. In the very first step, the company issues the prospectus to the public, which we have already covered in the previous video. In the second step, the company starts receiving some advance money from the public, which we call application money. For example, a company issued 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Now the company can receive this amount of rupees 50,000 in two ways. The first one is in lump sum, which means the full amount is received at once, and the second one is in installments. Now, if the company adopts the second method, then we will proceed to the third step, in which the company starts allotting shares to the public, which is called allotment. Let's take the previous example. A company issued 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable 3 rupees on application and 2 rupees on allotment. Now here we can see that till allotment, the company has received amount of rupees 25,000, that is 15,000 on application and 10,000 on allotment. Now the question is, what about the remaining 25,000 rupees? So hence in the fourth step, the company can also make further calls to receive the remaining amount whenever it is required. Now we will understand how we have to pass the journal entries related to this process in our questions. Let's see this example. X Limited is having an authorized capital of rupees 10 lakhs divided into 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. The company issued 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable 3 rupees on application, 2.5 on allotment, 2 on first call, and 2.5 on second and final call. We have to pass the journal entries in the books of X Limited. Here the company's authorized capital is rupees 10 lakhs and the issued and subscribed capital is rupees 5 lakhs. Let's move towards the solution. We have to draw the same journal format that we have studied in class 11th. The very first entry will be bank account debited to share application account, because at first the company will receive the application amount from the public. Now for finding out this amount, we will multiply the number of shares issued into the called value of application, which is 50,000 shares into rupees 3, which will be 1,50,000 rupees, with the narration application money received, which is written in red bracket. Now students, here's an important point for you all, that writing narrations after every entry is compulsory, because if narrations are not there, your marks will be deducted, and this is applicable for both CBSE and ISC board students. Now our second entry will be share application account debited to share capital account. This entry shows the amount of application transferred to company's share capital. Next entry will be share allotment account debited to share capital account. Now here the company has made the allotment amount due for the public, and we have calculated this amount by multiplying the number of shares into the called up value of allotment. Now after this, the company will receive the allotment amount and the entry will be passed as bank account debited to share allotment account. Now this process will be continued till our last call, that is share second and final call. And the order of the entries will also be same as allotment, which means that first the company will make the amount due and then the amount will be received by the company. You can pause the video and note the entries. This example will give you a plot to how to pass the journal entries in your upcoming questions. And this example can also be taken as share issued at par. Now let's see how we will make the balance sheet of a company according to this example. First of all, we have to write the name of the firm, that is balance sheet of X Limited as at, and now in the blank we will write the closing date whatsoever given in the question. If there is no date given in the question, then you have to simply draw a blank and leave the space like this. The first column will be of particulars, second will be of note number, where you will write the number of working notes we are going to mention, and then the amount columns of current and previous year. Our first main head will be equity and liabilities, where we will mention the company's capital and other liabilities. Under it, the subhead of shareholders fund, below which we will write share capital of the company. Now here we can see that we have written the note number 1 right in front of share capital with the amount of 5 lakh rupees. This amount indicates the capital subscribed by the company and also the amount actually given by the public. Now let's see how we have calculated the amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Write the heading Note to Accounts. Here we will write the name of that subhead whose amount has to be calculated. Like here we have to calculate for share capital. So first of all, we have mentioned the authorized capital of the company, which is 10 lakh rupees. Then we have mentioned the issued capital of the company, which is 5 lakh rupees. And then the subscribed capital, under which we will also write subscribed and fully paid capital, which is also 5 lakh rupees. Now here we have not mentioned subscribed and not fully paid up, because all the amount has been given by the public. So in this video we have studied how to pass the entries and the preparation of company's balance sheet. Here is a question for you all. You can solve it and you can send me the solution to my mail ID or my Instagram handle given in the description box. Further, we will continue in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone and take care.